I'm going to show you how to start your fire on your Redding anthracite stove. If you notice, that fire starts about halfway back that burner. That's where the air holes start on the burner. That's very important, because when you start the stove, you're going to put your starter block over those back air holes, and they have to, the starter block has to be on the air holes. If you push it back a little bit too far and miss the air holes, it will not start. Here's a burner right here. This is the back of the stove right here. This is where you saw the fire. You take your starter block and put it right like that. Scoop coal out of the hopper and dump. And if there's not much coal behind the starter block, you want to fill that in too. But you got to dump the coal right on the starter block. And you want at least an inch or more coal on the starter block. So after you got the starter block in place, you got it covered with coal, then you shut your stove off so the combustion air is not going to come up and blow your match out. You have your fuse sticking up through the coal, and then you light it with a long match or barbecue lighter, because when this fuse lights, it's going to flash and it can burn the tip of your fingers. Once you light it, you plug in your stove and power strip, turn your power strip on so everything starts to run, especially the combustion fan. The combustion fan has to be running for your stove to start. Then you go to your thermostat. Go to your thermostat. And the room temperature is 75, so you got to set it 10 degrees higher than what the room temperature is, so it'll keep feeding coal until it gets started. Okay?